Good morning, students. Today's lesson, Unit 8, Periodic Classification of Elements. Unit 8, Periodic Classification of Elements. Today's topic, Extraction of Aluminium. The learning objectives, electronic configuration of aluminium, ores of aluminium, conversion of bauxite into alumina, Bayes process, electrolytic reduction of alumina, Hall's process. Electronic configuration of aluminium, ores of aluminium, conversion of bauxite into alumina, Bayes process, electrolytic reduction of alumina, and Hall's process. Aluminium is a metal found most abundantly in the earth crust. Aluminium is available in the earth crust. It is a reactive metal. It occurs in the combined state. It occurs in the combined state. What is combined state? Aluminium is present with other elements such as oxygen, hydrogen, water molecule, sodium, fluorine also. So this is available in the combined form. The electronic configuration of aluminium. Electronic configuration of aluminium. Symbol Al. Atomic number 13. Atomic weight 26.981. Symbol Al. Electronic configuration Ne, neon, 3s2 3p1. The name is aluminium. The important ores of aluminium. Important ores of aluminium. What are the important ores? Bauxite, cryolite, and corundum. What is ore? The mineral from which a metal can be readily and economically extracted on a large scale is said to be ore. So aluminium has three types of ores. One is bauxite, cryolite, and corundum. The formula of bauxite Al2O3.2H2O. The formula of cryolite Na3AlF6. The formula of corundum Al2O3. Bauxite, cryolite, and corundum are the three ores of aluminium. The bauxite formula Al2O3.2H2O, cryolite Na3AlF6, corundum Al2O3. The chemical name of bauxite is hydrated aluminium oxide. Hydrated means water molecule, that is water is present with aluminium. That is hydrated aluminium oxide. That is called bauxite. Cryolite. The chemical name of cryolite is sodium aluminum fluoride. Sodium aluminum fluorine. So aluminum, fluorine, and sodium also present. So chemical name is sodium aluminum fluoride. Third one is corundum, Al2O3, anhydrous aluminum oxide. This is aluminum oxide, anhydrous. Water molecules not present here. So that is called anhydrous aluminum oxide. So the aluminum ore is mined from earth crust. So different types of methods are adapted. We collect the aluminum ore from earth crust. This is mining method. Then ores of aluminium, bauxite, cryolite, corundum, formula Al2O3, NaAlF6, Na3, AlF6, Al2O3. This is the first ore of aluminum, that is bauxite. This is the chief ore of aluminium or important ore of aluminium. Second one is cryolite. This is a cryolite. Then corundum. This is the corundum, third type of ore of aluminium. Bauxite is the chief ore of aluminium. Why the bauxite only is called chief ore? The mineral from which a metal can be readily and economically extracted on a large scale is said to be ore. So more amount of aluminium is present in the ore of bauxite. So from bauxite, the aluminium metal is readily and economically easily extracted. So bauxite is the important ore of aluminium. The extraction of aluminium from bauxite involves two steps. First step, Bayer's process. Second one is Hall's process. Bayer's process, Hall's process. The conversion of bauxite into alumina. This is Bayer's process. First method, conversion of bauxite into alumina. Bayer's process, the conversion of bauxite into alumina involves the following steps. First step, bauxite ore is finely ground. Finely ground means it is crushed into small pieces and heated under pressure with a solution of concentrated caustic soda. Concentrated caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide. A solution at 150 degrees Celsius to obtain sodium meta-aluminate. This is sodium meta-aluminate. Al2O3 plus 2 NaOH gives 2 NaAlO2 plus H2O. This is sodium meta-aluminate. The bauxite plus sodium hydroxide to form sodium meta-aluminate. Next step, on diluting sodium meta-aluminate. On diluting means sodium meta-aluminate is treated with water. On diluting sodium meta-aluminate with water, a precipitate of aluminum hydroxide, that is AlOH thrice. Aluminum hydroxide is formed. NaAlO2 plus 2H2O gives AlOH thrice plus NaOH. On diluting sodium meta-aluminate with water, a precipitate of aluminum hydroxide is formed. The precipitate of aluminum hydroxide then washed, dried and ignited. Ignited means that is heated at 1000 degrees Celsius to get alumina, that is Al2O3. This is alumina. 2AlOH thrice is heated up to 1000 degrees Celsius to get alumina. Then water is the byproduct. This is the Bayer's process. The bauxite ore crushed and treated with sodium hydroxide, then filtered, then we get aluminum hydroxide, then finally we get the purified form of, that is alumina. Next, this is also the Bayer's process. The same ore, bauxite, is treated with the sodium hydroxide, then heated, then we get finally, after some method, we get the important product of alumina, Al2O3. electrolytic reduction, next method of alumina, that is Hall's process. Electrolytic reduction of alumina, that is Hall's process. Aluminum is produced by the electrolytic reduction of fused alumina, that is Al2O3, in the electrolytic cell. So this is electrolytic cell. The electrolytic cell, that is cathode, ion tank lined with graphite. This is ion tank, inside coated with graphite coating. Okay, a steel shell. This is a steel shell, that is ion tank, lined with graphite coating. Inside graphite coating is present. Anode, a bunch of graphite rod suspended in the molten electrolyte. This is electrolyte. Molten electrolyte means the electrolyte is present in the liquid state. A bunch of graphite rod. This is a bunch of graphite rod, that is carbon anode. This is act as a anode. Then electrolyte, pure alumina plus molten cryolite plus fluorspar. Okay, this is electrolyte. Pure alumina plus molten cryolite plus fluorspar is present or taken as the electrolyte. Why the fluorspar is added with ore? Fluorspar lowers the fusion temperature of electrolyte. That is a reason. This is a ion tank lined with graphite inside. Anode, that is a bunch of graphite rod suspended in a molten electrolyte. This is cathode. Then electrolyte, pure alumina plus molten cryolite plus fluorspar. This is cathode, this is anode. Temperature involved here 900 to 950 degrees Celsius. Voltage used 5 to 6 volt. The overall reaction occur in this reaction 2Al2O3 gives 4Al plus 3O2. Temperature 900 degrees Celsius to 950 degrees Celsius. Voltage used 5 to 6 voltage. Reaction 2Al2O3 gives 4Al plus 3O2. This is Hall's process. The electrolyte is taken in a ion tank. Then a bunch of graphite rod, that is carbon anode. This is the carbon anode. And then passed electricity. Finally we get the purified form of aluminium. At the time of procuring the ore from the earth crust, so this is a bauxite ore, we get from the earth crust 4 to 6 tons. So then after refining, the Bayer's process, we get 2 tons of alumina. Then smelting process, that is Hall's process. After the Hall's process, we get only 1 ton of aluminium. Here, in this reaction, in the electrolytic process of aluminium, in this reaction, aluminium is deposited at the cathode. Aluminium is deposited at cathode here. And oxygen gas is liberated. Oxygen gas is liberated at anode. Oxygen gas is liberated at anode. Oxygen combined with the graphite to form carbon dioxide. The oxygen gas is liberated here. The oxygen gas is reacted with carbon rod, that is with positive electrode. Sometimes it is a burn. So to avoid this burning problem, so we have to exchange the carbon anode frequently. So in this process, aluminum is deposited at cathode and oxygen gas is liberated at anode. Oxygen combined with the graphite to form carbon dioxide. Finally we get the purified form of aluminum. Then thank you students.